Right, so just put up the crab traps, got loads of crabs. It's time to get them into the the tanks and sort them out now. So let's see what we've got today. We've had a good clean out up there today, literally rammed full. So I've now got to find out which are peelers and which are going into the tanks. The peelers will go straight into the green tray and they'll be peeled down and frozen, and the others will go into the tank. So I'm going to start sorting them out now. So the tanks are empty at the moment because I think I've got one crab in the one under there. So we haven't been up to the traps in about 7 or 8 days, so we'll get this sorted out now and see where we end up. Right, so we'll start sorting the crab out now. Good sized crab again. We'll squeeze the back so you can see he's lifting there. So he's going into the green tray. Just give him a little soak and he's ready to peel him straight down. See how many peelers we get out of this now. So we just keep checking him, clean him off. So he's hard, so he's going into the tank. We've done another day. Again, hard, straight in the tray. Again, back's just lifted, just ready to peel. Perfect time to peel and freeze them. And I'm just going to keep going like this until I get through the big bag. Another one just ready to go, he's ready to peel. Again, another one, back's gone, just ready to peel. Again, he's solid into the tank, and we're going to go so on and so on until they sort the whole lot of them out. It's going to take quite some time to sort these out, but I've got plenty of crab here that are ready to pop. So I think we're going to be have a busy night out of here. You can see like that one there, but he's literally busting right out of his shell. So I've just caught him just in time. Start on some to the other tank now. Another one's just back lifting, perfect. Try and keep them evenly spread out in the tanks because you don't want to overfill them. By the end of the week these will be chock-a-block. Right, so I've got 23 crab ready to peel down, so I'm going to peel them down, freeze them, backpack them. So that's about 2.5 packs there made up with that, and there's plenty in the tanks. Right, so it's time to get peeling now. I'll leave these ones and check them every day now until they've all gone. Right, now it's just a case of getting them peeled down, like I showed you in my last video. Just see how easy they peel when they're like that, you know. Get them peeled down, get them upstairs, get them frozen, get them backpacked, get them in the fridge. There we go, get them back to the freezer. I'll peel all these down now, I'll see you upstairs. Alright, so they're off the freezer now and ready to get backpacked. And there's the leftovers, which I advise you to dump down the beach and not put in your bin. Here we are at my bait freezer now. I've got about, well, I've ran full of crab, to be honest. Probably got about 500 packs here. There's a pack of 10. Loads of packs. Absolutely tons of them. Just ran pack with peeler crab. The goal was 700 this year. Don't think I'm going to make it because of coronavirus. So unfortunately, I think that might be it for the year for me with crabbing. Because by the time this is over, the season will be over. But I've got plenty of crab. If they ever let us back out fishing, I'll be using them.